last robotic sessions, they will learn about spaceboat, okay, spaceboat, and also there will be team challenge. Yeah, that like you mentioned before, right? There is a speed build, programming, and operation challenge. First, tell me about the spaceboat first.
All right. So for the space board will be the part where we will show how unique our RoboKit set is to the other sets that's existing in the market. So for the RoboKit set, when we are doing about the space board itself, right, they will be building the robot. The actually is a small little uh what we call that is a small little aiming robot for them to aim and to
Oh,
fire something. All right. But where do they aim this to? They actually aim it inside their software. So they'll be creating their
yeah.
small little space in the software itself, and they will create their own UFO, and they will create their aim, the target aim circle on the screen itself. So this hardware and software will interact with each other. So when they uh, run the program, the the UFO will start moving, and they have to use their hardware to chase the UFO
Mm.
and to take it down, something like this. So that is where the kids will or the campus will notice that, hey, oh, actually there's more than what I can do, because for the first 2 days of the first for the first 2 days of the workshop itself, they were just doing the coding. They are just coding hardware and the putting some software into the program itself. But they didn't know that these two things can react with each other. Yeah. So that is where they will be introducing the next part of the RoboKit stuff. Yeah.
Mm, 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 mm. And after that, they do the challenge, right?
Mm.
So about the challenge, there are three type of challenge. Is that the challenge that usually the robotic championship do, or this is a little different, Brandon?
Okay, so for the challenges itself, basically these challenges that we use is our own challenges that we have in the Korea side. So every year, Korea will run a international competition. So they will have these three challenges, which is the speed build, program, and operation. So these three is actually in under one event itself. So they have other events. So actually, why I choose
Mm.
this event is because we want to make sure that they know their weaknesses, their strength, so they can work together as a team. Because I think learning how to work as a team is quite important, so that
Very
in the
important.
future when you go out and you work with other people, you know, like, hey, I'm good at this, but someone else is good at something else. We work together, we
Yeah,
can create something better. Yeah, that's the
yeah,
main
yeah.
idea of it. Yeah.
That also happened to us, right? We do the collaboration, right? Even
Yes.
this time is in robotic, like we have a collaborate in other part area also, right? Like in
Mm.
critical thinking and also the memory part. And I think this is a good things to bring up quality learning, right?
Mm.
Especially for Indonesian student who will join this. This is, I think, very good chance for Indonesian students to get a kind of learn very good robotics program with a robo. So thank you, Brandon, for the explanations. I think I need to uh, emphasize all the students to learn this because not only we learn about common robotic program, but also we learn about how to use it in our daily life and also to explore and enhance critical thinking skill, also teamwork in this program.